In Module 4, we explored and wrote a discussion post on coding. I find a lot of value in this assignment just because I do teach coding, and it allowed me to kind of analyze a site that I already was using, but maybe hadn't taken the time to really put it through its paces and compare it to other things as I was reading some of my peers' assignments and their applications that they were reviewing. And that is code.org. I love this site. I think that it really teaches students kind of the sequencing of things. I do think that I need to start finding something that is a little more tougher for a high school age student. Some of my high school students struggle with code.org, they do, but I think that some students need to start seeing the language written out as it is, not necessarily as a block form. And so I'm going to explore some of the applications that my peers reviewed and looked at in their assignments. The other thing that we explored was Google Earth, and we made an assignment using that, and I really loved the opportunity to do that because I had this dream vacations project where students paired up and they, went on this dream vacation, and it was all great, but I felt like the connection was missing in making students actually explore some of the attractions that they were visiting. And so I was able to create a Google Earth assignment that incorporated all the things that I needed to incorporate as a tech teacher, but also let them explore using that 360-degree feature and some of that full immersion that Google Earth has. And the actual picture is funny because we looked at the assignment directions on that Google Earth assignment talks about, you've seen sometimes the Google cars and that sort of thing. And the one time I've seen it is when I worked at K-State, when I was a student there 6 years ago, and I saw it. It was when they were mapping campuses, and I thought it was funny. So when I saw it, I thought, I wonder if I ended up on that video. So I ended up, I went to that site where I spotted it, and I didn't see it. But then I went to where I always parked my little moped at school, and I found it there. So I just thought I'd include that little screenshot. I know it's silly, but I think it is funny that how immersive Google Earth can really be.